YouTube. Okay, so this is my makeup video and I really hope you like it. Remember, before you start makeuping, please make sure you put your hair back. Thanks for watching, comment and subscribe. I've taken a small quantity that will cover my face out of the bottle. And I've just applied it in 4 areas of the face. And now I'm going to blend all the dots in. Make sure you apply your moisturizer to a clean, fresh face. And once the moisturizer is soaked in, we're going to apply the foundation. And I'm going to use, my daily routine is Hello Flawless by Benefit. The colour of foundation I've got in Hello Flawless is beige, because that's correct for my skin colour. And if you're just a little bit unsure about what foundation colour you should use, then just go down to your local makeup brand and ask the makeup artist to check some out. And if you're a bit more confident, just use the back of your hand. Okay, so we're just going to start off with my foundation brush, and I'm just going to get some on the brush. It is a bit powdery, because it's a foundation powder. So I'm just going to apply it to my forehead. And kind of like sweep it away. It's really light and easy. I'm just going to get a bit more on because, as you can see, it does come off very easily because it is a powder. So across my T-bone, down. Okay, so I'm just going to keep getting more on until it's right. Yeah. And there's no messiness, sorry. So it gives that like matte finishy look. And it's kind of nice for a great eyeshadow as well, because it's really neutral. So if you just want to put some on your eyes. And because the powder comes off, you can just sweep away all the excess with it again. And make sure you do under the neck, because you don't want like a tan line or anything. So just go down the neck, and then your neck will be the same colour as your face. So on a day-to-day basis, I don't really wear eyeshadow, but today I'm just going to use some mascara and group my brows. So let me just get my eyebrow from my Bobbi brown kit. And I'm going to start off combing my eyebrows the actually opposite way, using this thin side here. So, just a couple of times really. And then with the same one, just going to go up. And then kind of like go over. Once you've done that, get your thicker side, and then you're just going to go, just comb them over like that. And can you see how much groom this one is? Okay, so once you've groomed both eyebrows, we're going to go on to the eyelashes now. So I'm going to start off applying my eyelash curlers, which are a bit different to the ones that most people have. They're very little, so they're very portable and easy. So I'm just going to put my eyes in it, and then hold it for about 10 seconds. Okay, so that'll do. I'll just go to the next one. So, again, just do that. Okay. And now I'm going to use my mascara. And this one is number 1 Clinique Black. And it's really little because I love it pocket size, because it's really good to take around in my handbag. Because I've got a lot of little handbags as well, so it'll fit in really nicely. So there's loads of different ways of applying mascara, but today I'm just going to do just various ones really. Can't really go through them all. But so the brush is really nice because it's really thick, and you can see that it'll probably get every eyelash and separate them all. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look straight forward. Pretend that someone's in front of you, and to look to their right shoulder if you're going to do the right one. and then bring it up. And then, or you can just do a bit of a twist. Like that. So, I'm not really a fan of doing the bottom eyelashes, but today I will. So, I just give the bottom eyelash just a little rub, it just brings them out a bit. And remember, with the top of your mascara, make sure you just clean it all off. I'm just going to do that because it really, really separates this, like all the lashes, and puts mascara on each one of them. Okay, so sometimes when I'm doing the opposite hand to the opposite eye, I sometimes smudge a bit onto my eyelid. So if that happens to you, because I do have a bit of a steady hand as well, just get your finger or whatever white and lick your finger and then rub it off, and it should come off really easy. Okay, so next I'm going to use is a Bobbipin bronzer, and it comes with a really cute brush, and the packaging is really cute as well. So I really love that. It's really compact and neat. So let me just get it out. Just going to put that there, and just going to... Okay, so even the packaging on this is so cute. And it's even got Bobbipin logo engraved in it, which I find is really nice. It is a bit brown for me, but if I apply lightly then it'll be alright. So I am going to apply with this brush. And it's got a really good handle because I can hold it firm. Right. So it's basically like we did on the foundation, just, and then, because I just usually like bronzers on my cheek, I'm just going to put it on my cheek. Maybe just like a blusher. Okay, so I'm just going to smile to get that on. So I'm going to put a bit down here as well. And it gives it a really nice effect and a shady look. So it looks very nice. Okay, so last of all we're going to move on to the lips. And I'm going to use this one, which is orangey corally, and it's got some silver undertones. And it's by number 7, it's liplicios. And this one's called Tangerine Twist. So it's one of those where you just squeeze out. So I like to squeeze like a big blob, but then kind of smooth it all onto my lips. So it's really easy to apply. And as you can see, when you spread it out, it does give off that kind of like orangey light effect. So I really like that. Okay, so we have come to the end of my makeup video now, but hopefully I'll be doing another one. All the information and products I've used will be in the bottom bar for you to check out. Please comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.